Understanding your seller fees. Before you start selling, it's important to understand how Palmstreet fees work and why we've designed them this way. We keep it transparent, simple, and competitive. There are no hidden charges, no subscription fees, and your selling costs scale with your success. In the next few slides, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from our platform fees to what payment processors like Stripe and PayPal charge, and even ways to reduce your seller fees, so you can feel confident setting your prices and maximizing your profits. Let's take a moment to break down the fees associated with selling on Palmstreet. The good news? There's no monthly subscription fee. It's completely free to get started and stay active as a seller. Palmstreet charges a 6.9% selling fee on all sales. Whether you're selling through live shows, purge events, or your shop listings, this fee helps to cover the cost of platform tools, marketing exposure, and seller support. Each seller gets 18 opportunities per month to go live or host a purge, giving you plenty of flexibility to promote your inventory. Now, let's talk about payment processing, which is handled by third-party providers like Stripe and PayPal. For regular credit and debit card orders, the processing fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents. If a buyer uses the Pay in 4 installment option, that processing fee goes up to around 6% or 5.99% plus 30 cents, and this covers the risk and management of split payments. And for PayPal orders, the fee is slightly higher at 3.49% plus 49 cents. These payment fees go directly to the processors, not Palmstreet, and they're standard across most e-commerce platforms. If you ever want to calculate your profit margin ahead of time, this is the breakdown to keep in mind. How to lower seller fees. Utilize the share button to help spread the word. So we want to promote our event. Encourage your viewers to subscribe prior to your events and refer new customers. So enjoy 0% fees on their purchases for the first 45 days. This could help you to unlock reduced base selling fees. Sellers with 100 plus subscribers before a live or purge event get a 0.5% fee cut. Use that to your benefit. Make sure that you are promoting early. More information for reducing your fees. If you're interested in learning how to minimize fees related to selling at Palmstreet, please scan the QR codes below. The Palmstreet Foundation Program blog offers valuable insight for those looking to sell exclusively with us at Palmstreet. Explore our blog for tips on lowering seller fees to discover ways you can cut your cost. Thank you so much for watching and happy selling.